This
This is mango green. This is mango yellow. This is mango from Middle East. Mango Kuwait. This is mango Kuwait, guys. This is hard mango. This is soft mango. That's why separate. They are separate, guys, because this is soft mango and this is hard. So separate. Thank you for watching, guys. This is mango from Kuwait. Soft mango, and this is hard. Remember. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye bye.